is what we call ocelot. Then this bluebird is what we call hycronic. Macaw is the longest parrot in the world. Wow. This llama has a 3 stomach. Wow. Three stomach. Which one is that? It's the pure. Then this red frog is strawberry poison dart frog. It's the size of a paper clip. Oh, this is too small. Then this one. Oh, that monkey is the golden lion. Tamarin is the species of monkey, not lion. But this is the strawberry poison dart. Okay, let's next page. Oh, did you know this? This is the hippopotamus. Sweats red liquid that acts like a sunscreen. Ah, liquid that sweats. Then this one is the cheetah. The cheetah.
God, there's a shark. Shark ba yan?
A cheetah is the fastest runner in the world. But the jackal doesn't open its eyes for 10 days after it's born. My God, what the...
Picture to. Picture. Okay na lang ka. Nag-video to lang kayo ito picture. Okay na. Wait na nung books.
Hindi na.
Enough na. Sige. Sige na, read na. Sige na siya gana, galing. Sige na, read na. Wow. Ano yung sinasabi mo kanina na, what did you say? What's that?
This is the lion. The lion has the loudest roar of the big cat family. But did you know that the biggest cat family is the tiger? Tiger is the strongest. But the flamingo eats with its head upside down. While penguins
batang binabasahan. Kit, parang ano naman siya, may ganyo naman siya sabihin mo, Kit.
Swimmers.
Sabihin mo siya.
The bird can fly. And then the bear can crawl. Uy!
Crawl? Swim.
Bear.
Akala ko bird. Akala ko bird. Ay, fish pa rin inisip ko. Sige na.
And then, this fox can run faster. This is the South America animals. This is the Arctic. But Antarctica is the biggest. Antarctica is the biggest. Yeah. Then, Australia oceans. Mag-video mga mama. Panood na.
Ili kayo. Sige na, Kit. Ako naman. Okay. Anhin na.
Come here. Outer. Yes. Oh, that one is a European badger. Will eat hundreds of earthworms every night. Look, earthworm. Oh my God. It is so eerie. Earthworm. And did you know this? This is the grinning of a fallow deer. Sounds a lot like burps. Oh my God, look like. Okay, let's see. This is Sonic the Hedgehog. This hedgehog will curl into a ball when it's scared. This frog has a, ano, European tree frog. It's not a huge fan of trees. This place. Did you know this? Oh, this is the biggest cat family cat. The Vinyl cat. This is the tongue. This is the tongue of a Komodo dragon. It's covered in a bony plate. This one is a cute panda. This panda is a giant panda. Has 7 toes on each paw. Wow!
Ano yan lang? Nag-picture. Nag-video man ako. Sige na.
Video. And this is orangutan.
Whoa. Sure. My God, it's so... Ouch!
Orangutan likes to
Ay,
spend
tisa.
time alone.
Ow!
This is a cobra. Has a hood that spreads and
Hinakit
can
na iyo.
scare away
Hinakit iyo.
predators. Did you know that predators is the
Kit.
big
Ano ba? Ew.
Oh, I think this is the cutest one. Look. Do you know that this white rabbit has a snowshoe hair? Also has 4 on the bottom of its spouse. Oh.
No, nag-video lang ako lang ako. No, nag-video lang ako.
Tayo sa
By the way,
shade concealer.